The story of the automobile is a remarkable saga that intertwines human innovation, societal transformation, and technological advancement over several centuries. Long before the modern car roared onto roads, the idea of a vehicle moving without the aid of horses or human effort captured the imagination of inventors and thinkers. In the late 15th century, Leonardo da Vinci, one of history's greatest polymaths, sketched designs for a self-propelled cart powered by coiled springs. Although never built in his time, these drawings revealed a visionary's glimpse into a future where machines could move independently. His ideas laid conceptual foundations that would inspire generations of inventors, even if it would be centuries before practical vehicles emerged. The 18th century ushered in the age of steam power, a revolutionary energy source that transformed industries and transportation. In 1769, Nicolas Joseph Cugnot, a French engineer and military innovator, constructed a massive steam-powered tricycle designed to haul artillery for the army. Despite its slow speed, limited range, and cumbersome design, Cugnot's vehicle proved that mechanical propulsion on land was possible. His invention sparked interest and experimentation across Europe, with engineers like Richard Trevithick in England building steam-powered road carriages. Yet these early steam vehicles were heavy, inefficient, and difficult to operate, often requiring frequent stops for fuel and water. Moreover, legal obstacles such as Britain's Red Flag Act, which mandated that a person walk ahead of self-propelled vehicles waving a red flag, restricted speeds and limited public acceptance. As steam technology showed its limits for road use, inventors turned to the internal combustion engine, which promised greater efficiency and practicality. Belgian engineer Étienne Lenoir built one of the first gas-powered internal combustion engines in 1860, though it was rudimentary and inefficient. The breakthrough came in 1876, when Nicolaus Otto invented the four-stroke combustion cycle, known as the Otto cycle, which remains the basis for most gasoline engines today. Innovators Gottlieb Daimler and Wilhelm Maybach took this further by developing compact, high-speed internal combustion engines suitable for vehicles in the early 1880s. Around the same time, German engineer Karl Benz built what many consider the first practical automobile, the Benz patent motorwagen, in 1885. This three-wheeled vehicle integrated an internal combustion engine and chassis, capable of reaching speeds up to 10 miles per hour. It was powered by a single-cylinder, four-stroke gasoline engine with a displacement of about 1 liter. Bertha Benz, Karl's wife and partner in innovation, undertook a pioneering long-distance journey in 1888, driving more than 60 miles to visit her mother. Along the way, she repaired the car, stopped to refuel at a pharmacy, and dealt with mechanical challenges, effectively proving the practicality and reliability of the motorcar to skeptics. Meanwhile, in the United States, Charles and Frank Duria developed their own gasoline-powered vehicle in the 1890s, forming one of the first American automobile companies. The early 20th century marked a pivotal turning point. Automobiles were still handcrafted luxury items, accessible only to the wealthy elite. Henry Ford revolutionized the industry with the introduction of the Model T in 1908. Designed to be affordable, reliable, and easy to maintain, the Model T was the first car built for the masses. Ford's implementation of the moving assembly line in 1913 dramatically reduced manufacturing time from over 12 hours to about 90 minutes, slashing costs and making automobile ownership achievable for middle-class Americans. This democratization of mobility had profound social consequences. The automobile reshaped urban landscapes, facilitating the growth of suburbs and transforming work and leisure habits. The car became a symbol of freedom and independence, allowing people to travel farther and faster than ever before. Throughout the 1920s and 1930s, automotive technology and design advanced rapidly. Vehicles evolved from simple, exposed contraptions into enclosed, comfortable machines featuring powerful engines, improved suspensions, and stylish aesthetics influenced by emerging understandings of aerodynamics. Luxury brands such as Cadillac, Rolls-Royce, and Packard thrived, producing opulent vehicles for affluent buyers, while mass-market manufacturers focused on efficiency and durability. The Great Depression imposed economic hardships, but did not halt innovation. Safety features like hydraulic brakes, improved lighting, and electrical systems became more common. World War II temporarily shifted the focus of production to military vehicles such as jeeps, trucks, and tanks essential for Allied operations. After the war, the automobile industry entered a golden age, particularly in the United States. The 1950s saw the rise of large, stylish cars adorned with chrome accents, tail fins, and V8 engines that symbolized post-war prosperity and optimism. Meanwhile, Europe and Japan emphasized smaller, fuel-efficient vehicles that addressed the economic realities of recovery. The Volkswagen Beetle and the British Austin Mini became cultural icons, reflecting a new era of practical and affordable transportation. The oil crisis of 1973 exposed the vulnerability of gas-guzzling cars, accelerating demand for fuel efficiency and changing consumer preferences. Japanese automakers like Toyota and Honda capitalized on this shift, producing reliable, economical vehicles such as the Corolla and Civic that gained immense global popularity. Environmental concerns spurred governments and manufacturers to implement stricter emissions regulations and develop cleaner technologies like catalytic converters and fuel injection systems. The late 20th century was marked by the integration of electronic technologies into automobiles. Electronic fuel injection improved engine efficiency and emissions control, while anti-lock braking systems, ABS, airbags, and computerized engine management enhanced safety and performance. Onboard diagnostics allowed for better vehicle maintenance and troubleshooting. The globalization of the automobile industry led to increased competition and collaboration, with manufacturers expanding production facilities worldwide and forming strategic alliances. The late 1990s and early 2000s saw the emergence of sport utility vehicles, SUVs, and crossover vehicles that combined passenger car comfort with off-road capabilities, reshaping consumer preferences, yet raising new environmental concerns due to their fuel consumption. The 21st century ushered in a new era of electrification and automation. The Toyota Prius, introduced in the late 1990s, was the first mass-produced hybrid vehicle, combining a gasoline engine with electric motors to significantly reduce emissions and fuel consumption. Tesla Motors disrupted the automotive industry by producing fully electric vehicles with long ranges and high performance, changing public perceptions about electric cars. Autonomous driving technologies rapidly advanced, with companies such as Google's Waymo and traditional automakers developing self-driving prototypes aimed at improving road safety and accessibility. Today, the automobile industry faces unprecedented challenges and opportunities. Climate change and urban congestion drive the push toward zero-emission vehicles, renewable energy integration, and innovative mobility solutions like car sharing and ride-hailing services. Cars are increasingly connected devices featuring internet connectivity, advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and over-the-air software updates. Developments in battery technology, hydrogen fuel cells, and lightweight materials promise cleaner, more efficient vehicles. The cultural impact of the automobile is profound. It has influenced music, film, fashion, and social identity worldwide. Car culture thrives in communities built around road trips, motorsports, restoration, and car shows. Yet the automobile has also raised critical questions about pollution, urban sprawl, and social equity. From the steam-powered experiments of the 18th century to today's electric and autonomous vehicles, the automobile's history reflects humanity's relentless pursuit of innovation and mobility. It continues to evolve, promising a future where transportation is cleaner, smarter, and more connected than ever before, a testament to human creativity and the enduring quest to move forward.